So can you guess what I'm doing today? Yes, I'm making Scotch Baps in the bakery. And for a bakery Scotch Bap recipe, first of all, we want to start by adding in our water into the bowl. Add in our yeast, then we add in the rest of the dry ingredients. So we're going to start this machine off on first speed. Then we're going to mix it on top speed for 5 minutes. Now we'll get out the machine bowl and stick it straight onto the table. Now each individual bap is going to be 2 ounces each. Right, we're now going to mold it up, and then we're going to set this aside for around about 10 minutes so it just starts to move. Now we're going to roll them out onto our plates and put them through the machine. I'm going to place the rolls onto the table. I'm going to rest 10 minutes. All I'm doing is rolling them forward. It's 3 inches by 2 inches. And then we're going to be putting them straight into the prover. And then we're going to be proving these for around about 1 hour. Our Scotch Baps are now ready for the oven. So just sling them straight in like that. And they're going to bake for around about 15 minutes, give or take. Look at that. And that's what they look like finished.